In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of different stair guardrails. Not the grippable handrail. This is the guardrail that protects you from falling off of the side of the stairs and might have either 36 or 42 inches as the minimum height, depending upon your local building codes. Now, a guardrail like this one here or this one here is going to cost a lot more than a guardrail that is drywalled. And if this is built correctly, it's going to be a lot stronger and cheaper to build. And I just don't see any way around it, and that's why I'm making the video. And this would include the guardrailing for the area above if needed also. And my guess looking at this and this is that they built the guardrail too low and the building inspector caught them on it and then made them add something to the height of it. Yes, I've seen this plenty of times before. You don't want to get into this. You just simply want to drywall it. And if you want it to look nicer, add a cap to it or a decorative piece of lumber on the top. You really don't want to leave the top of the guardrailing unprotected because people are going to be touching it with their dirty, filthy hands constantly. And that's going to lead to more cleaning and eventually repainting it. I'm not saying you can't leave it off. However, this could be something else that would save you a few more dollars because you wouldn't need to finish the top of the guardrailing with drywall and the edge metal. You could just simply buy a 1x6 or a 1x8 and shape it to fit and then paint that. And don't get me wrong, I'm not suggesting that you don't ever build something like this because it looks fantastic. All I'm suggesting is that if you're looking to save a few dollars, now you know how to do it.